there. It sounds like I just said one word 3 times, but those are actually 3 different words. In this lesson, I will show you how to use these confusing words correctly. As always, there is a quiz at the end of the video to test your understanding. Now, before we talk about the use of these words, a quick note on pronunciation. All 3 of these are pronounced there. The pronunciation is the same. Keep that in mind. Okay, so let's talk about the first word, T-H-E-R-E. This word is an adverb which means that place. Take this sentence. The restaurant is over there. It means the restaurant is in that place. So this is the opposite of here, which means in this place. In fact, you can easily remember this spelling, T-H-E-R-E, if you notice that it has here inside of it. Now the word there has another common use. This is to introduce the subject of a sentence. For example, there are 4 apples in the bag. You see that the subject of the sentence is really apples, and there is just used as a dummy subject to introduce apples. These are the 2 uses of there with T-H-E-R-E. Let's move on to the second word, there, spelled T-H-E-I-R. This word is the possessive form of they. What does possessive mean? Well, it means that the word shows ownership or relationship. Here's a chart showing these forms. The possessive form of I is my. For you, it's your. We, our. He, his, she, her, it, its. And for they, it's their. Here's an example. The children took their toys outside to play. In this sentence, there shows ownership. The toys belong to the children. And in the next sentence, teachers should be friendly to their students. There shows relationship here. Obviously, teachers don't own their students. This spelling can be easily remembered if you see that the possessive forms your, our, her, and their all have an R, and the R is the last letter in these words. Okay, let's now move on to the last word, there, spelled T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. The apostrophe should tell you immediately that this is a contraction. That is, we have shortened and combined 2 words, which are they and are. This form is used in 2 ways. The first is when are is used as a linking verb with a noun or adjective. For example, they're dancers. They're tired. What I'm saying here is they are dancers and they are tired. But again, when we speak naturally, we just say they're. The second use is with a verb in its ing form. In this use, are is a helping verb. Here's a sentence. They're playing football in the garden. This means they are playing football in the garden. And it's in the present continuous tense. It shows that the action is happening right now. You can remember the spelling with the apostrophe, which shows that there are 2 words combined, they and are. Okay, let's do a quick recap. T-H-E-R-E means that place, and the key to remember it is that the word has here inside of it. T-H-E-I-R is the possessive form of they. The key to remember is that the forms our, your, her, and their end with the letter R. And finally, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E means they are, and the key is that the apostrophe shows the contraction of the 2 words. All right, it's now time for the quiz to see if you can use the 3 spellings correctly. There are 6 sentences on the screen. In each one, I want you to fill in the blanks with the correct word. Stop the video, think about your answers, then play the video again and check. All right, here are the answers. Let me know how many you got correct in the comments. If you're not sure about any of these, you can ask me in the comment section as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button to get my latest lessons right here on YouTube. Happy learning, and I will see you in another lesson soon.